I'm Terry Sullivan in for Jessica.
And I'm Kurt Ludlow. Good morning, everybody. Let's get over to Buck for a stellar day on tap today.
Yeah, it's going to be, phenomenal today.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I trust you. I trust Buck.
Good morning.
This morning, a Hilliard mom accused of murdering her newborn is set to face a judge, and this time it could get her closer to getting out of jail. I'm Mike McCarthy, live at the courthouse with the new move by her lawyer and the major decision we're watching.
We'll see you at 7.